Music is a world within itself, with a language we all understand, with an equal opportunity for all to sing.
Hi, and welcome to PNN. I'm Meyer.
And I'm Maddie. Today is Friday, January 12th, 2018. Meyer has these stories.
Thanks, Maddie. Over our winter break, Paragon celebrated its first alumni reunion. Over 20 years of past Paragon nights came to reunite with teachers and classmates. Mr. McGrath and Mr. Arthur were so happy with the over 100 Paragon alumni and parents that they wanted to continue this tradition. Watch for an invite to next year's reunion. And if you are an alumni who wants to connect with former classmates and teachers, visit our alumni Facebook page at the Paragon Knights Alumni Association. Our art teacher, Miss Bolt, has a lot of pets. We'll meet them all in a segment we call Teacher's Pet.
I'm Izzy from Pnn, and today for Teacher's Pet we're interviewing Miss Bolt. So, Miss Bolt, what pets do you have?
Well, Izzy, I have my dog Jed, who I've had for about 7 years. He's a hound dog. He's amazing. He sounds like this. Boo! Then I also have a little blue heeler named Shotgun, like the front seat, not the weapon. And then I have a cat named Bessie, who's the sweetest cat in the world. And I have 2 pigs, which sometime in the spring I'm gonna eat. And then my neighbor has 3 horses who live in the barn right by my house. So I get to enjoy kind of having horses as a pet that I don't really have to do a whole lot with, except for pet and enjoy.
Great! Thanks, Miss Bolt. From PNN, I'm Izzy.
Thanks, Izzy and Miss Bolt. Now to Maddie.
Thanks, Meyer. We had our annual National Geography Beat in December. 8th grader and PNN's own Nathan M. beat out the tough competition to try and earn a spot in the state competition. Good luck, Nathan. Wintertime is the perfect time to polish your cooking skills. Izzy S. has some advice for you in her segment, Cooking with Izzy.
Hey, welcome to Cooking with Izzy from PNN. Now, we're going to be making some delicious brownies today. So what you're going to need: spicy almonds. You're going to need some candies, chocolate coin, an orange, some salt, a lot of salt, some Red Hots, some chocolate chips, and organic hot cocoa mix. Before you start mixing, you're going to need to prepare your ingredients. So you gotta peel the orange and you gotta crush up the candy. Perfect. Now that we've added most of our ingredients, let's add some salt and a little bit of water. It looks scrumptious. Delicious. So now that we've finished mixing, let's take our batter and put it in a pan to bake. Now we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now we have all this mess. We have to clean it up. Perfect. All clean. Now let's wait for those brownies to bake. I smell brownies. Delicious. So now we're here with Paragon alum Sophie to taste test these scrumptious brownies. Delicious.
Thanks, Izzy. Your brownies look good. Somehow. We have a few new staff members at Paragon this year. Let's meet another one in our segment, A Minute with Miss Dulovics.
I'm Molly from PNN, and we're here to interview Miss Dulovics for A Minute with Miss Dulovics. So, Miss Dulovics, where are you from?
I'm from Houston, Texas.
What's your favorite thing about aftercare?
I'd say my favorite thing about aftercare is getting a chance to hang out with you guys outside of the school setting and outside of the classroom, and really getting to know like your actual personalities, not so much like your in-class personalities.
That's great. What do you like about Paragon?
You guys, I think the staff is great and all the kids are great. It's a really fun place to work. You guys get to do a lot of like really fun things that public school kids don't get to do.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks, Molly C. We have a big movement on our college leaderboard since our break. Jesse and Colin are here to sort out all the scores in College Corner.
Hi, I'm Jesse with the Southern Division College Corner. The last month brought a huge turn on the leaderboard. Wake Forest turned in an amazing 72 volunteer hours, propelling them from last to first place. They pushed Mizzou out of the lead by a little over 300 points. Hawaii also turned in 21 volunteer hours, which was enough to get ahead of Texas. Our annual paper airplane contest awarded USC first place, LSU second, and Navy rounded out third. The GOB top 3 winners also earned their college's points. Nitin from LSU earned 500 points, Zach from Navy won 250 points for second, and LSU's Beck came in third and earned 125 points. Sports game attendance and team participation was also rewarded in this round. Texas and Wake Forest had the most members attending games to watch their classmates. LSU has the most members playing sports. So keep it up, Knights! Be sure to find a coach at games and sign your name in to get points for your college. Our next competition is a diaper drive for the Diaper Bank of Austin. Good luck, colleges, and go Mizzou!
Hi, I'm Andrew with the Northern Division College Corner. We have a little movement on the leaderboard, but colleges are still holding position strong. Rice continues to lead the other colleges, but there's still plenty of time in competition. Emory turned in 16 volunteer hours, UCSC turned in 4, and Rice turned in 3, which helped increase their scores. Emory won this year's paper airplane contest, earning 500 points, and Rice came in second, and UCSC came in third. Northern Division colleges also earn points from going to watch Paragon sports games. Basketball is in full swing, so go see a Paragon game and earn your college points. Juilliard is leading the way with the most games attended, with UCSC in a close second. Elvis Day was a fun dress-up day, and we had a dance contest. With their dance contest and costume contest results added, Emory came in first, Rice in second, and UCSC was in third. Way to go, colleges! Our next competition was a diaper drive. Good luck, colleges, and go Rice! From the Northern Division, I'm Andrew.
Paragon students celebrating birthdays in January are
In first grade, Elijah.
so 3rd grader Nate,
Fourth grader, Rory.
5th grader Rachel,
Sixth graders, Nitya and Goldie.
7th graders Calvin, Ava, and Nora.
Eighth graders, Anna and PNN's own William and Mary.
Have a super happy birthday from us at PNN.
Now to Mr. Hathaway for today in Paragon History.
So this day in history, January 12th, 1998, it was a few days after we had our first snow day, so here's me back then, and then we had all this snow. We were actually out of school for a couple days, and so when we came back to school, we realized that the power was out to school. So the city of Boston called us, they said they weren't going to have it on for a whole nother day. So what we had to do was we had to draw names from a hat, and we had to call everyone at home to tell them that we weren't going to have school today. So I drew my 15 kids and I called them all up. It took about an hour. I heard all these hurrahs on the other side of the phone. And then right as we finished calling everyone, the city of Boston called us back and said that the power was on and we had school again. So I had to call everyone up. We had called everyone back to tell them that school was ruined. So that was the one time that it was the Grinch that stole the day off from the kids. So that was back in the 1900s, 1998, January 12th.
Thanks, Mr. Hathaway.
This year's first question of the show is,
What is your New Year's resolution? 8th grader Max said his New Year's resolution is to think before he speaks. The question of the next show is, how long did it take for you to break your New Year's resolution?
email your answers to pnn@nights.paragonprep.com and stay tuned in next time to see if your answer is chosen. Thanks for watching.
I'm Maddie.
And I'm Meyer. Bye!
I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world hoping I could learn a bit about how to give
Slating.
and
Wait for her to say action and then go.
Well now.
Today is
take. Finding
Friday, January 12th, 2018.
Okay, let's try
Myers
again.
these stories.
PNN reporter Jesse went around to check them out. Bleh.
Do it. Rolling. Sleep.
Action.
What action? Rolling. Sleep. On Meyer.
Oh, okay.
We're still on Meyer. There you go.
We have our
Wait, sorry.
good luck, Nathan.
Door.
We have a few new staff members at Paragon this year. Let's meet another one in our segment.
Okay, Mom.
But it's been rolling this entire time. I never cut.
Okay, cut.
The question for the next show is, how long did you take for you to break your New Year's resolution?